Hello and welcome. Today's session explores the technical requirements and strategic applications of the unit NAT11287004. In the contemporary Australian professional environment, a digital presence is no longer defined by visibility alone. A website or social media account does not automatically translate into influence. Audiences now assume relevance and immediacy. We operate in an ecosystem where algorithms determine who is seen, when, and by whom. Manual posting struggles to compete. This has created a significant professional gap. Many find themselves under-recognized because their digital positioning is weak. In this section, we will examine how artificial intelligence allows you to reclaim control of that positioning. This unit focuses on AI-driven optimization. Specifically, we will examine three core pillars: auditing, scaling, and governance. The first technical requirement is conducting a comprehensive digital audit. Traditionally, audits were retrospective. Artificial intelligence enables a shift toward predictive mapping. We can analyze sentiment across platforms in real time. Using natural language processing, we understand not only what people say, but how they feel and why they feel that way. A critical outcome is identifying the brand alignment gap, the difference between intention and actual market experience. Artificial intelligence excels at identifying these discrepancies at scale, highlighting recurring language or response issues. AI does not merely highlight problems. It identifies emerging opportunities by analyzing intent signals before they peak. This predictive capability allows brands to reposition proactively. The audit becomes a forward-looking strategic instrument. Once data has been collected, the critical skill is interpretation. Artificial intelligence augments professional judgment. AI tools allow us to segment audiences based on behavior and interaction history, moving beyond basic demographics. We are no longer just targeting job titles in isolation. We are targeting critical moments of decision-making. Consider analysis revealing regional demand for automation while metropolitan audiences focus on risk and compliance. With artificial intelligence, your messaging and service offerings can be adjusted dynamically based on these insights. Your role shifts from content producer to system architect, designing an intelligent presence that adapts to the market. The next pillar is content scaling. Consistent, high-quality communication remains essential, but is resource-intensive. We implement human-in-the-loop generative systems, ensuring your expertise and tone remain central. A single authoritative insight can be transformed into multiple formats without any dilution of meaning. The artificial intelligence does not invent the expertise, it amplifies it across your digital touchpoints. The result is not increased output for its own sake, but significantly increased impact for your brand. Advanced capability brings increased responsibility. Ethical governance is a core requirement in Australia. Under the Privacy Act, organizations must ensure transparency. Audiences must understand how data is used. Bias mitigation is another critical responsibility. Professionals must monitor systems to ensure fairness and accuracy. Data sovereignty must also be considered. Where is your data stored, and who has access to it? Trust is the most valuable digital asset. Ethical integrity strengthens long-term resilience and credibility. Implementation does not require immediate transformation. The most effective approach is incremental. Identify the most significant bottleneck in your current digital workflow and address it strategically first. You now have the foundations of NAT11287004. Apply AI selectively, measure outcomes, and refine continuously. Your digital presence can accurately reflect your true professional value. Thank you for listening.